Parenting after separation or divorce can feel overwhelming. You may find yourself constantly juggling schedules, emotions, and important decisions, all while trying to make sure your children feel safe and loved. This video is the first in a series about co-parenting, designed to give you a clear picture of what it takes to build a stable and nurturing environment for your children. Please watch this video till the end, subscribe to the #slowparenting podcast, and turn on your notifications so that you don't miss any videos in this series. Even when parents live apart, children notice the way adults handle daily life and challenges. Their sense of security, trust, and emotional well-being often depend on how routines, responsibilities, and decisions are handled between parents. Understanding the bigger picture of co-parenting can make a real difference in how children adapt and thrive during this period of change. Based on Dr. Richie Adewusi's book, Effective Co-Parenting: Strategies for Success, through this series, we will cover some of the most important areas for successful co-parenting. Here are 5 of the topics we will explore. 1. Understanding co-parenting dynamics. Learn what co-parenting truly means beyond dividing time. This topic explores how parents' behaviors, routines, and decisions shape children's emotional security and how to navigate this new relationship role effectively. 2. Building a foundation for effective communication. Discover strategies for exchanging information, discussing decisions, and staying coordinated in ways that reduce stress and create consistency for your children. 3. Navigating conflict with grace. Explore methods for managing disagreements without putting children in the middle. Parents get to learn to approach challenges calmly, find solutions that work for everyone, and model healthy problem solving. 4. Caring for children's emotional well-being. Understand how to recognize the emotional signals your children may be sending, clarify and validate their feelings, and support them through transitions so they feel understood and safe. 5. Self-care for co-parents. Learn why taking care of your own mental, emotional, and physical health is essential. When parents are supported and balanced, they can show up for their children in a consistent and loving way. These issue areas would give you a clear framework for how to approach co-parenting intentionally. They are designed to help you create an environment where children feel secure and cared for, while also allowing parents to navigate challenges with confidence and purpose. By understanding the dynamics, practicing thoughtful routines, and maintaining a focus on both your children's needs and your own well-being, you can start building a stronger foundation for your family's future. Thank you for watching. Please like and share if you enjoyed this video, and leave your thoughts in the comments section below. Share it with another parent who might benefit, and stay connected to the #slowparenting podcast. For a deeper look, check out our full 1-hour livestream on this topic, introducing our co-parenting series, available now on the #slowparenting podcast YouTube channel. Subscribe and turn on notifications so you do not miss the next video in this series, as we continue exploring co-parenting strategies for every stage.